Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change language on Gemini. So if you also want to change language on Gemini, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Gemini is an AI application that can help you with a lot of tasks. You can ask anything to Gemini and you'll get the answer. So if you want to change the language on Gemini, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gemini application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Gemini has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in order to change the language, what you have to do is go to settings. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find your account over here. Also, you'll be able to find the options for Try Gemini Advanced, Gemini Apps Activity, Extensions, Gem Manager, Updates, etc. What you have to do is find the option for settings. Once you find the option for settings, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to the Gemini settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options over here. You'll be able to find the options for your public links, Gemini's voice, interrupt live responses, languages, screen context, etc. At fourth, you'll be able to find the option for languages. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the languages interface. Initially, by default, English language will be chosen. You can see over here right now English language is chosen for me. You'll be able to see several other languages over here. What you have to do is tap on any language of your choice. Now after that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Now what you have to do is tap on the switch option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, Gemini application will be closed. What you have to do is open the Gemini application again. Now after that, you can see over here the language will be changed. So that is how you change language on Gemini app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.